Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 28, 2024, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 28, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, February 28, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 28, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 88 million pesos for Wednesday, February 28, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of February 28, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.